Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how we can get into the WordPress dashboard. We know right that this is the dashboard, and once we have closed the tab, how are we going to access the WordPress dashboard? We can do that in two different ways. One is we have to enter the URL clickandcapturestudio.com, the name of the domain followed by /wp-admin, and when we click enter, it will take us directly to the WordPress admin page. This is one of the way that we can get into the Hostinger WordPress dashboard. And the second way is, let me quickly close the tab one more time. Let me navigate to Google and search for Hostinger, and let me click enter, and then let's open the Hostinger website, and then by clicking on the login, we have to enter the credentials. Or if it is already logged in, it will take us directly to the home page of the Hostinger, and from there we have to click on websites. From there we have to choose the website name Click and Capture Studio. Right beside that we can see WordPress admin. As soon as we click on this particular button, we will be landing directly on the WordPress admin page or the dashboard page. I hope you have understand how we can access the WordPress Hostinger dashboard or the admin page. If you find this video helpful, please continue watching. We are going to learn all these elements, and then we also learn how we can create a beautiful website using Hostinger. Thank you so much.